it's me Prapti and I hope you all have already subscribed to my channel. If not, wait क्यों कर रहे हो यार, subscribe कर दो. So today I'm back with another study vlog क्योंकि पहले वाले vlog में थोड़े views आ गए थे, so I just thought और एक बना सकते हैं. Also because I have less content ideas plus my exams are coming, like कल ही है exam, so I have to study and I just thought that I can vlog it. So I'm making this video. I hope you all would like it and it would be a bit good. I don't know, because I to do what sometimes I watch study vlogs. Most of the time I don't, because I just love story time videos. But I don't have anything to make like a story time, so I'm just making a study vlog. So let's just get started, guys. So very first I have to go and buy some stationery because I don't have, and by stationery I mean pen, ball pen. So firstly now I'm going to a stationery shop near my house. I'm going to get some pens and then I would start with my studies. By the way, कल मेरे exams है and I want to have a academic comeback, which I hope I will be able to. By the way, since 11th I'm actually scoring very good, but this time in unit I would get to know that how is 12th going to be for me. So I have to study. I will. So now I'm just going to buy some stationery and stuff, and then I would be back, and then I would tell you all what I'm going to study today. I mean, what is there for tomorrow's exam for my unit. So let's just get started. I mean, we already got started. Let's just go and buy some stationery. Bye. I will be back after bringing all the stuff. So yeah, guys, I am back after going and buying some stationery, and now I have actually made my black coffee, which is already like a bit cold right now, which is not hot anymore. If you all have seen my previous video, then you all would know the importance of this coffee. And again, some skincare because I'm having a bit dark circle kind of stuff. I don't know why, because I'm actually sleeping well still. So I'm gonna apply this. This is actually quite good, I would say. Must try, guys. And also, I bought this new for myself, which looks so pretty and so cute. So I applied this and this is looking so cute. I would say, like with this and all on off everything on it, it's looking cute and I'm loving it, guys. By the way, it's actually good. It's just the thing is it's a bit huge for my face, but it's okay. Like, yeah. So now I'm just applying a bit of lip oil and lip shine kind of stuff. This is like surely my favorite. This is not actually an Indian brand. One of my neighbor bought this for me from US or somewhere, and I love this. I guess some natural glowy lips after applying this. And I'm actually like very addictive to lip gloss and lip balms. I don't like applying lipsticks, but I love the lip shine kind of stuff. And now I'm gonna start studying. Finally I'm gonna start, and let's see what I'm gonna do. I'll just let you all know what I have to study, what I'm having tomorrow. So yeah, guys, I'm back to my study wala side. Right now I'm having my coffee and I've also made my to-do list, which is done writing. And okay, so I would just tell you all, tomorrow I have my psychology and sociology exam, which I checked thrice because I remember one of my friends, she by mistakenly studied some another subject because it was like maths exam and she studied science. And I was like, when I got to know this, I was like, "Yeah, this can surely happen with me. यार मैं तो पढ़ती भी नहीं हूँ, तो यार मैं गलत पढ़ के गई तो it would be so worst for me." So I always check like thrice or like more than that, confirm यही है, क्योंकि यार जितना पढ़ा है उतना भी अगर लिखने ना मिले तो it's so worst. So yeah, so it's like well confirmed that I have sociology and psychology. I also check the dates, guys, क्योंकि क्या पता आज हो एग्जाम और मैं गई ना हो, क्योंकि today I didn't go to my college. I'm like, बिकॉज आई वॉज लाइक आई एम गोइंग टू टेक स्टडी लीव, मैं नहीं जा रही आज, मैं पूरा दिन पढ़ूंगी। जब आधा दिन तो हो गया, बिकॉज आई हैव रीजन्स गाइज। आई गॉट सर्दी, आई डोंट नो हाउ, एंड आई टुक मेडिसिन लास्ट नाइट, एंड ड्यू टू दैट मेडिसिन आई कुडंट वेक अप ओनली इन द मॉर्निंग। मैंने अलार्म 8 का लगाया था, आई वोक अप लाइक एट 9 or late actually after 9. I don't know how I wasn't being able to wake up because of that horrible medicine, but it worked. My sardi has gone. So yeah, so I would just start studying right now after completing this coffee. The coffee is like quite horrible, the taste, I mean, without sugar na. So but okay, it's working for me. Trying to just sip it off, I don't know. I'll just tell you. Sociology, I have 2 chapters to do, and for psychology, Miss has only kept one, for which I am very angry because she wish Miss ने 2 chapters रखे होते, क्योंकि for this, for boards we actually have like something around 8 chapters, और उसने 8 में से अब तक सिर्फ एक ही चैप्टर कंप्लीट किया है सिखाना, वो भी लाइक अप्रैल में, एंड फॉर नाउ इतने दिन हो गए, 2 weeks हैव ओवर्ड, and she's still teaching us the second chapter. She's going so slow. I am like worried about my portion. How is it going to get over? Because हमारी psychology की miss जो थी वो change हो गई. Like 11th में there was some another, like she was very good at it, very good at explaining, and I used to like just love it, like कि wow कितना अच्छा पढ़ा रही है type of stuff, and every other person was like failing in her subject, and they were not studying. It's their fault, but they just blamed the teacher that because of her we couldn't study, and because it was like a majority, so school college just changed the teacher for psychology, and now there's some another teacher. I am like यार, and I was like कि what, मतलब यार मैं तो पढ़ पा रही हूँ, if I can score then anyone can, because I was so dumb in my studying, I would say, like very bad. I just scored 66% in my 10th, and if like subject like psychology I am scoring highest, it means वो अच्छा पढ़ा रही है, but no, everyone just went like change the teacher, and they did. एंड नाउ हमारी हिस्ट्री टीचर जो है, जो हमें हिस्ट्री पढ़ाती है, आई मीन या हिस्ट्री टीचर हिस्ट्री पढ़ाएगी, वो हमें अचानक से साइकोलॉजी पढ़ा रही है, एंड शी लाइक वी आर द ट्रायल बैच ऑफ आवर कॉलेज, कि अगर ये टीचर अच्छे से पढ़ा पाती है देन मे बी शी वुड ऑल्सो टीच साइकोलॉजी. सो वो हमें साइकोलॉजी हिस्ट्री की तरह पढ़ा रही है, मीन शी रीड्स द टेक्स्ट बुक देन शी एक्सप्लेन्स इट, विच इज़ लाइक क्यों. हमारी जो साइकोलॉजी की 11th में टीचर थी, शी वॉज लाइक प्रोफेशनल, वो साइको पढ़ाती थी डिग्री कॉलेज वालों के लिए, डिप्लोमास पढ़ाती थी, सो शी वॉज सो गुड एट हर वर्क. तो बहुत अच्छे से एक्सप्लेन करती थी, ऐसे थोड़ा बहुत स्टोरी टाइम एंड ऑल सब होता था, एंड आई यूज्ड टू एंजॉय इट. एंड अभी बदल गया. आई एम लाइक वॉट, ऐसे थोड़ी ना होता है यार, बट ठीक है, आई नीड टू स्टडी बाय माई सेल्फ, और एज आई ऑल्सो हैव द नंबर ऑफ दैट टीचर इफ आई नीड एनी हेल्प मे बी. Sociology भी हमारी टीचर बदल गई, आई एम ओके विद द टीचर हु इज राइट नाउ. I mean, I don't like her personality, but fine, the teaching where she is good at her work. English also, the sir has changed. I mean, ये क्या हो रहा है हमारे कॉलेज में यार, फैकल्टी बदल रहे हैं सब. हमें तो ये भी पता चलता है कि IT के सर छोड़ने वाले थे कॉलेज, एंड आई वाज लाइक ओ नो व्हाट इज दिस, बट नहीं छोड़ा. I mean, story time अब बहुत हो चुका है. I should start with studying. Also, few vlogs will also come. Like, by the way, Diksha and Kekasha left the college, guys. So अभी मैं और अल्फोंसी है मेरे ग्रुप में से, and I'm so sad about that कि क्यों छोड़ा. So maybe we four will try to meet, क्योंकि अल्फोंस के घर, सो वी फोर आर लाइक प्लानिंग हार्ड टू मीट, बट द थिंग इज हमारा कॉलेज मॉर्निंग कॉलेज है, और वो दोनों ने सेम कॉलेज में लिया है, और वो दोनों का कॉलेज इवनिंग कॉलेज है. इवनिंग मीन्स लाइक आफ्टरनून, मिड मिड वाला 2:30 का कॉलेज है उनका, और हम लोग छूटते 2:30 है, सो दे कैन बंक एंड दे कैन कम टू मीट अस. बट द इशू इज़ कि अल्फोंस के घर वाले से लेने आते हैं, सो नो, तो वो अगर लेने आएंगे तो हम तो मिल ही नहीं पाएंगे. सो लाइक बिकॉज ऑफ दैट हम लोग का मिलना ही नहीं हो पा रहा है. वाई दीक्षा, दीक्षा क्यों छोड़ा यार, कुछ महीने रह लेती. आई एम सो लोनली इन द कॉलेज, आई वुड से, लाइक मैं एक कोने में बैठी रहती, कोने में नहीं, मैं सेकंड बेंच पे बैठी रहती हूँ. लाइक यस बस यस, सब अच्छे से मैं बात कर रही हूँ. कैन यू बिलीव इट दिस, चेक माई बुक, चेक द मार्किंग्स दैट आई हैव डन. आई स्टूडियस बन चुकी हूँ मैं, क्योंकि मेरे फ्रेंड्स ने कॉलेज छोड़ दिया मेरे पास कुछ करने के लिए नहीं, तो मैं बस मार्क कर रही हूँ, आप पढ़ाओ मैम, मैं मार्क कर रही हूँ, आप छोड़ो. दे आर लाइक फ्री लेक्चर मिस देने वाले थे, आई एम लाइक मत दो फ्री लेक्चर मैम, आप पढ़ाओ, मुझे मार्क करना है, क्योंकि मेरे फ्रेंड्स तो जो थे वो छोड़ गए, अब अल्फॉन्स ही बचे, हम दोनों क्या ही कर लेंगे, बाकी पूरा ग्रुप पढ़ा है, बाकी लोगों को उनको फ्री मिला, दे आर हैप्पी, आई एम लाइक नहीं चाहिए। सो या अब मैं पढ़ती हूँ, बहुत हो गया, कि मेरी मम्मी देखती है मेरे। फाइनली गाइस खत्म हो गया। So yes guys, I am back. It's almost 1, if you can see in the time. So till now I have completed reading the entire chapter. By the way, the psychology chapters are like quite huge. So I have completed reading it. I have understood all the concepts because I had already read it before also. I have done few question answers and few more question answers are remaining. But now I just thought that I should take a mini break. So I'm going to have something. So I have to complete this huge answer in detail questions. Other stuff I have completed, and yeah, so I'm gonna eat sandwich right now. So I just wanted to update you all with the break stuff, and then I will again start completing this. And after completing, I would just jump on to sociology. By the way, I just love both the subjects. They're like quite interesting and like easy to done. This is about mind, and sociology is about like environment stuff, kind of stuff, like about the society. So I love both those things. And in sociology, we can actually make our own answers and write. So which is quite good for me because I am like good at it. So now it's my break time. So yeah guys, break is over. It's almost 1:50 right now. So I will just start again with the question answer stuff, and I hope I complete it early because I have to start with sociology, which is more vast and I have 2 chapters to do. So yes, by the way, I removed the nails. They didn't came out on their own. I just plucked them away. I just removed it because I had to write the paper, and with such a long nails, it wasn't possible for me to write it. I would have, but ऐसे aesthetically ऐसे slow paper लिखती तो paper कभी complete ही नहीं होता. So I removed it, and I also bought a new set of nails. Like they were like grayish color, which actually looks good. So when I would put them on, that time I would show you. And this looks aesthetic. The cherry red color. I mean, yeah, so I'll just start studying right now. So yes, update guys, I'm completed. I have completed with psychology 1 chapter. Totally all the question answers, reading, everything is done. So at night I would just revise it, my first revision. And now I'm gonna do sociology. So that's it guys. So I'll just start with my sociology. I mean, guys, with sociology, the issue is the chapter is quite huge. I'll show you all. Wait a second. So, this is the chapter Social Problems in India. Okay, this is the page number 82, and this chapter, this is last chapter by the way, and this ends over here 98. So, I have to read this many pages, and I have less time. Okay, I would do this, I'm sure. So I hope I just complete the reading of this chapter. Means there are 2 chapters. So this is the 6th and the 4th chapter, which teacher told I have the most weightage in both. So she taught us this chapters first. So our 4th chapter is completed. I mean not by question answers, but question answers I can do it by myself. I have done reading the chapter. I have marked all the important stuff. But 6th chapter has not started by me. In class it has got over, but over here 6th is plain, मतलब कुछ पढ़ा नहीं है हमें 6th. एंड नाउ आई एम सीइंग कि ये चैप्टर तो इतना बड़ा है, बट फाइन ओके, इट्स लाइक सोशल प्रॉब्लम्स ही तो है यार, मतलब हो जाएंगे. I'll read this and after that only I'm going to take a break. So let's see. अब तो करके रहूँगी मैं. But guys, there is a thing. I mean, how much I know in class, this chapter is completed till domestic violence. How much I know means till here, something like this page maybe till here. So how can this chapter be entirely in the exam? So now I am confused what to do. So I'll call someone टू आस्क कि ये चैप्टर पूरा है या हाफ है, क्योंकि पूरा तो मुझे नहीं लग रहा क्लास में भी हुआ है. मैं तो पूरा ध्यान देती हूँ, मैंने मार्क भी किए हुए चीज़ें, मतलब मार्क्स तो मार्किंग दे ही नहीं रही है मिस. तो बट स्टिल जितना मुझे याद है हम लोग डोमेस्टिक वायलेंस तक पहुँचे, देन ये चैप्टर पूरा तो नहीं हो सकता. सो आई नीड टू चेक विथ माई फ्रेंड्स अबाउट डैट, या फिर हो भी जाए यार. फ्राइडे और मंडे तो आज मैं गई नहीं, 2 दिन में मे बी कंप्लीट किया हो पूरा चैप्टर. I don't know. So I need to check with my friend. Let's see. So after doing this, after reading this chapter like very much little, like 3 4 the एक दो pages पढ़ने के बाद, I just made a decision कि मैं पहले 4th chapter ही complete कर देती हूँ, because I have like read that chapter and everything. So I just thought कि अभी इस पे give up करती हूँ मैं अभी के लिए. I would do that. I'm very much sure, and I would just randomly, I mean, I would just start with the 4th chapter with the question answers which Miss have given us the PDF of learning stuff. So I would just do that because ये बहुत ज़्यादा है यार पढ़ने में. I thought it would be less, but it's not. And I don't know. Okay, not a big deal. I will. So yeah. So yeah, I have completed one chapter of sociology and one chapter is still remaining. But I am actually very tired and now it's almost my gym time. So maybe I will just take break and then go for gym. And after coming at 7:30, I would again start doing. So I would that time I would first complete the remaining chapter, and afterwards I would just start the revision of the psychology and the other chapter from sociology. So that's my plan. Okay. Yeah guys, I'm done with my gym. I've like had my shower, everything is done. I'm again gonna study. It's something like 9. This watch is like ahead, but it's 9, trust me guys. And now I'm gonna start with my revision, and I would update y'all till 11 that how much I completed. So let's see. So hey guys, I am back from my college. Actually last night I forgot to record the video because I just got bored and I just kept it. I couldn't study till how much I had decided. But मैं सुबह 5 बजे उठी थी and I revised few stuff जो मुझे याद पेपर के टाइम तो ज़्यादा नहीं रहा. But still exams were good. Let's see the results. But if you have watched the video till here, then do like it, do subscribe क्योंकि views आ रहे, subscribers नहीं आ रहे. So yeah, that's it for today guys. Bye.